Welcome to online classes. Now I will explain from page number 22. For the story Entering the Door to Hell, Unit 1, Section 2. Before explaining in this recording, I will refer some sentences as a continuation and reference. These suites are used by some firefighters as well as steel mill workers and volcanologists. Any occupation where you need to be close to intense heat. They reflect a lot of radiant heat, but you still get pretty hot inside. I did feel a bit like a baked potato. Another very specialized piece of equipment that Cornish brought to Turkmenistan was a heat probe designed by the engineers who built National Geographic crater camps. Now I will just explain one heat probe. Generally it is used in laboratory, but in commercial application maybe it is different. Just you can try to guess what is heat probe. It is a picture, handmade picture. It is completely electronics device, and here you can see the 2 point is there. That is steel wire, and sometimes it is just like a sword. It is not like wire, it is complete like stick, like that, complete solid things. So it can be the reading can be reflected here, and it is the knob. By this off and on you can do this, and different activity. The bottom is there, just I am giving so that you can understand. And in commercial use totally different. Now I will start. It sought to look like a sword. Cornish says it was able to transmit wirelessly back to the crater's edge to a laptop. Explanation 1. Type of the probe looked like a weapon. Cornish told the reader. As per Cornish, it was able to transfer with a radio signal to the portable computer. Portable computer means laptop, which was kept at the crater's edge. Explanation 2. Cornish said that this kind of probe like an arm, and added further that this probe was able to communicate using a radio signal to the notebook. Notebook means laptop, which was kept near the crater's edge. Explanation 3. Cornish told that the probe looked like a ammunition, and added further that the probe was able to radiate without wire to the laptop, which was kept near the edge of the crater. Now from book. It could transmit the ambient temperature where I was, as well as it had a long end on it that I could jam into the ground and get a reading of how hot the ground was. Now from the book already told. So explanation 1. Cornish said that it could communicate the ambient temperature where he was, as well as it had a long end and it that could squeezed into the ground and able to get a reading of how hot the ground was. Explanation 2. Cornish told that the probe could convey the ambient temperature where he was, as well as it had a long end on it that he could wedge into the ground and get a reading of how hot the ground was. Explanation 3. Cornish told that the probe had a long end, so by using this he was able to take the reading of the ambient temperature of the crater. Just now, what is ambient temperature? It is related to this. It is related to this question. Thermal analysis is an essential part of nearly all electronic system designs these days. We have to make sure that the components do not heat up so much as to affect their functionally or make the system practically unusable. And for the most of us, it is a delicate dance of the environmental factors, system design, component power, dissipation, and a range of usage conditions. We must establish some baseline temperature conditions, then figure out through modeling, calculation, rules of thumb, and ultimately measurement how much will think heat up above the temperature. Now the ambient temperature is usually the room temperature or the temperature of the air surrounding equipment under consideration, such as a computer or power supply unit. In an environment with electronic equipment, the resultant temperature is determined by the ambient temperature as well as the power dissipated by the equipment. That is about the ambient temperature. Now from the book, even after a few days of preparing, Cornish says the idea of an actual desert into the door to hell was not tracking. Cornish told the reader that even after a few days of preparation, the plan of a real moving downwards into door to hell was nerve torment. It is a torture on the nerve. Explanation 2. Cornish stated that even after a few days preparation, the target of a true lowering into the door to hell was extreme pain of nervous system. Explanation 3. Cornish elaborated that even after a few days preparation, the scheme of the genuine going down into the door to hell was mental distress. Now from book, I can tell you where you are standing on the edge of this gigantic crater filled with fire. It is intimidating, he says. Cornish said that he could, explanation 1. Cornish said that he could tell us when we were standing on the edge of this massive crater filled with fire. It was frightening situation. Explanation 2. Cornish told us that when we were standing on the edge of this huge crater filled with fire, it was really a threatening situation. Explanation 3. Cornish expressed us that when we were standing on the edge of the crater filled with the fire, it was a overwhelming situation. Means the situation is really painful and also non-bearable, the temperature, if as per Cornish, if we are standing nearby the crater edge. That is the end of this lesson, and shortly I will send you some pictures and videos of Door to Hell from Turkmenistan. You can find out in proper place in our website.